The baking mess. This is my summer story. My name is Lily, and the sun was shining bright outside. It was the perfect day to stay in the kitchen and try something I had never done before. I wanted to make the tallest, fluffiest, most chocolatey cake in the whole wide world. I found a big, colorful cookbook and turned the pages until I saw a picture of a cake that looked like a mountain. First, I needed the flour. I reached for the heavy bag on the counter. It felt like a giant, soft pillow, but it was much harder to move than I thought it would be. Suddenly, poof, I pulled too hard, and the bag snapped open. A giant white cloud of flour went up into the air and landed everywhere. I looked like a little ghost. Next, it was time for the eggs. I tapped one on the side of the bowl. Crack! The egg didn't go into the bowl. Instead, it slid right down the counter and landed on my sparkly shoes. Just then, Mommy walked into the kitchen. Her eyes went wide when she saw the snowy floor and the yellow drips on my shoes. She didn't know whether to gasp or giggle. Mommy didn't get upset. She just laughed and handed me a bright blue sponge. Together we started to wipe the counters and sweep up the flour clouds until everything was clean again. "Let's try again, slow and steady," Mommy said. This time, she held the measuring cup while I carefully poured the sugar. We counted the scoops together. 1, 2, 3. We put the cake into the oven and waited. Soon, the kitchen smelled like sweet chocolate. It wasn't the tallest cake in the world, and it was a little bit lopsided, but it was ours. I learned that baking is a big, sticky mess, but that is how you learn to make something yummy. Making mistakes was the best part of the day, and that was my summer story.